Dental clinics are losing thousands of dollars every single month due to missed calls. Every call that goes to voicemail is a patient that books with a competitor just down the street. So I built an AI receptionist that answers every call, books appointments, and answers patient questions. And I sold it to a dental clinic for $5,000. And in this video, I'll show you how you can build this agent in just under 30 minutes. So let's get right into it. So dental clinics are appointment-driven businesses. Every missed call is thousands of dollars in potential revenue that is lost for that clinic. Front desk staff are expensive team members to have, and they have off hours. So there are many missed calls that come in throughout the evenings and on the weekends that don't get picked up. Most clinics do not have systems in place for after-hour calls. Those calls just end up going to voicemail, and the patients don't end up leaving voicemail. They just end up calling the next dentist within that area. Dental clinics are a great business for this type of a voice agent setup because every single lead and every patient is a very high value, high ticket item for that dentist. Each new patient that comes into the clinic has a lifetime value of between $15,000 to $20,000 on average. That's just on average because they have multiple procedures over the course of many years. And so getting new patients into the clinic is very, very high value, and dental clinics tend to be very sticky businesses. So once you have a dentist that you like, you end up sticking with them. So when a new patient calls, you want to make sure you pick up right away and you don't want to miss that call. So when you're pitching this type of a voice agent setup, that's how I would position it, to say every single missed call that you don't pick up on after hours or on weekends when no one is available is thousands of dollars of potential revenue lost. So I want to highlight not to lead with the technology in a sales conversation. When you're talking about a voice agent, don't talk about how cool the tech is or how you're going to update their CRM or how you're going to make the AI sound super great and all of that. You just want to talk about how much more money you're going to help make them with this type of a system. The key pitch is that your phone will get answered 24/7 and patients will be able to book appointments with you any time of day, any day of the week. So for our dental clinic, we use this tool called ChatDash, which you're looking at now, which is a white label AI agent solutions provider. And so what we're able to do is provide our client with a custom dashboard once we've built out the agent. And the agent we can build within this portal as well. This portal is an all-in-one tool if you are running an AI agency and building chatbots and voice agents for local businesses. You can build agents within this agent tab. You can create an agent like we have here with our dental receptionist, and you can add a system prompt. If you're familiar with other tools, this is a very similar setup to Retail, which is another popular voice agent platform. You can create functions, tools, you can do all the sorts of configuration for how it speaks, what type of filler words it uses, how long it pauses, all these different kind of very specific things when you talk about the conversation itself. And so with this type of a platform, instead of stringing together multiple tools using N8N and using their CRM and using different tool and like a dashboard and all these different providers, you have 3 to 5 different softwares. Everything that we can do is in just one place, and there's preset functions for everything here, right? So in order to check calendar availability, it is a preset function. In order to end call, it is a preset function. None of these things you have to create out of the box. Whereas before, if you're using Make or N8N or Zapier, you have to create these functions and do a lot of actual logic in order to set all this stuff up. But within ChatDash, it is all abstracted. So really, really easy setup for us here. And I'll walk us through how to set this up in just a minute. So once you actually deliver and build this agent for your client, they're going to get a professional looking dashboard that looks just like this, that shows them the number of calls, how many total call minutes, and all these like key statistics to understand how their AI agent is performing. We can also add different charts here. So using the data that our AI agent provides us, and we can customize that data as well. We can add different bar charts, different graphs, different data points, and we can add things like how many people called for an emergency visit, how many people called for a cleaning, how many new patients versus existing patients. We can add all of that here within our dashboard, and our client can just come in and view all of this to understand what type of people are calling their business, when are they calling, how are the calls going, and if they want to know more detail about how the calls are going, they can actually come into the conversations and view all of this detail here. They can even listen to the call recording.
Thank you for calling Brightview Dental. This is Samantha.
So all the call recordings are there as well. So now we're going to get into how we actually set this up within 30 minutes within ChatDash. And I'm just going to show you the basic setup of how this works. So within our ChatDash portal, as the agency, we have our homepage. We go into clients. We can create a new client. In this case, I've scrubbed all the actual data for our client just to protect their own privacy. And so we have our dental clinic, and then we have an assigned agent for them, right? Sorry, when we get a new client onboarded, we can add them as a new client here. Once we do that, they also have their password. We can save their password for them so that we can pass this password along to our client in order for them to access their version of the dashboard, the analytics part of it. But once the client is registered, we create an agent, and then we assign our agent to that specific client. So when we get into the agent builder, we see this type of a setup here. So again, if you're familiar with Retail AI, it's another voice agent platform builder. And this is very, very similar, has a lot of similar functionality. Now, so to get started here, you're going to first edit your system prompt to really hone in on the specific goal and actions and instructions that this agent needs to take. So first we get into the role and context. In our case, it is a front desk receptionist for Brightview Dental. Again, a different name that I've just added here, Brightview Dental. This is the main goal, to help callers feel welcomed and taken care of, to understand why they're calling, a little bit about their communication style so that it kind of responds with the right tone of voice and the right messaging. We have our tasks, like what is the goal here? Meant to be a natural front desk conversation. Here's the primary objective, to help the caller get what they need to book an appointment. These are some of the guidelines on how to speak. Here's a response structure. So try to ask a clear question at the end of every message. So the agent is typically going to go with, okay, we have openings next week. Are mornings or afternoons usually better for you? And then we have some more detail about the conversation flow. So it first goes into, okay, what has you calling in? Is there an emergency issue? Is there a pricing question? Is it asking about a service, booking an appointment, general questions? If they want to book an appointment, take these actions. If they're new, an existing patient, take these actions. Collect the patient information if they're new. If they're an existing patient, check their date of birth so that we can check the CRM that we have and make sure that they're an existing patient. So all this logic here is within the system prompt. So this is the meat of how we create our agent. Besides this, everything else is pretty much set up for you within ChatDash itself. What's so great about ChatDash is that when you turn on this tool called appointment booking, so if you click appointment booking here, you can go ahead and select which calendar you want to connect this to. And so ChatDash has built-in integration with Go High Level, with Google's Calendar, and with cal.com, which is another calendar service. So I've just connected it for this video with our Google Calendar. For clients who use Go High Level, this is a really popular integration with Go High Level, so I'd recommend using that as well. Go High Level is that all-in-one CRM, automated messaging, social media, like it has so many things in that platform. So really good, powerful integration for many small businesses there. But for this video, let's keep it in Google Calendar just to show you how this works. So once you run that connection, like once you can create a connection name, and then it'll just have you sign in with your Google credentials. You can select which calendar you want to connect this to. You want to set up your availability, your appointment duration, click save. And this is important because the agent who's calling is going to use this calendar, check the availability to make sure that it books an appointment with that patient at the right time. So once that is turned on, we have these functions, these two functions that are already there by default. We don't have to create any of this. So if you're working with N8N or Make, you'd have to create these complex functions to check calendar availability. Like there's just so much logic that has to be done in those type of automation platforms. All of that is abstracted here. So it's very, very simple. It's all built in for us here to check availability and book an appointment. We can also add transfer a call and end a call, which are important functions. And we reference those functions within our system prompt. So as an example, we just say call function end call when the conversation is finished. Just some very basic messaging there. But just to clarify that, hey, you should run this function called end call. Same idea here. If they're looking for an appointment, we check calendar availability. When it's available, then we call book appointment function. So we are referencing these functions within the prompt. There's also plenty of other speech settings. If you want some background sound, like a coffee shop or sounding like a call center in the background, if you want the voice agent having that, you can go into all of these different voice settings. The defaults are just fine. I recommend just leaving the defaults at first and only adjusting if you feel like you need to. Otherwise, you'll spend hours on just these random knobs that don't really make a big impact for your business or for your client's business. Once you do that and you have the tools and your calendar integration set up, all you're going to want to do is test agent, and we're going to walk through what this sounds like.
Thank you for calling Brightview Dental. This is Samantha speaking. How can I help you today?
Hey, Samantha, I'd like to book an appointment for a cleaning.
Okay, I can help with that. Are you a new patient with us or have you visited before?
I'm a new patient.
Great. Can I get your full name so I can get you set up?
Yes, it's Sean.
Thank you, Sean. Can I get your last name as well?
Yes, it's Cahill. K-C-A.
Thank you, Sean. Thank you for spelling that. What's the best email for your appointment confirmation?
It's sean.ca@gmail.com.
Thank you. And what's the best phone number for reminders?
It's 123-456-7890.
Thank you, Sean. Are mornings or afternoons usually better for you?
Let's do morning.
Do you have a preferred day this week or next week for your cleaning?
Do you have any time this week?
Let me check our morning availability for this week. We have morning openings at 9 a.m. on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday this week. Would you like to book one of those times?
Let's do Tuesday.
Okay, just to confirm, you'd like to book a cleaning for Tuesday at 9 a.m. Does that all look correct?
Yep, looks good.
Booking your appointment now. Okay, you're all set. Thank you for calling Brightview Dental. Have a great day.
Awesome. So we see how that worked. It checked availability. It booked our appointment. It ended the call when it was supposed to. And that's pretty much how it works. If you aren't happy with that, if you want to adjust it a little bit, if you felt like the conversation flow should take a different path, we can edit that in the system prompt. If you want to make it make some background noise, you can add that. If you can add some different transcription settings. For most businesses, that is a perfect setup, and that is all that we need. What I also recommend you do is run this type of a test agent, run this type of a call, and allow your prospect to demo it. So once you have this voice agent set up, there's a few other tools that I'm going to show you that make this thing really, really high level. Now, the first thing is workflows. So as I mentioned, there's other workflow tools like N8N and Make. You don't have to use those tools if you're using ChatDash, because you have this automations tab that can do things like send lead data back to your CRM, as an example. In this case, I just created a Google Sheet just to kind of reference that you can use Google Sheets, you can use any CRM like HubSpot or Go High Level, as I mentioned. And so once the AI is done with the call and it has a summary and it has the lead information that we passed in, that the lead said during the call, it can pass all of that over to a CRM. And so you can create that workflow in one of these automations. It also has billing built in. And so within your voice agent, if you're sending text messages after the call and you're asking people to sign up for something and you're asking for them to pay, you can set all of that up here. You can connect your Stripe account within ChatDash so that within messages, you can send quotes and invoices that can go directly to your Stripe, right? So the voice agent can also handle your invoicing and your billing. And so that's a really critical feature as well. And then I think the biggest value of ChatDash is the client dashboard. So for the client, the ability to view all conversations, to have a knowledge base that they can upload their own files to. Things to remind the lead before they come in for their appointment. They can add all that here in their knowledge base, and that gets uploaded directly to the agent. So your client feels like you have a professional, ready to go setup, instead of, if you're an agency and you're kind of have 3 to 5 different tools, you're probably creating your own dashboard and it does not look as professional and as clean and as integrated as this. This is completely built for you when you have your ChatDash account. You can also add new menu items and you can create new pages for your clients. So if you want to create a custom menu, you can do that here. So if I wanted to create post call summaries, you can create that type of a page. And you can create the URL as well, and then just add that here so that your client can get some sort of populated page with each call and the summary of that call. So you can be very creative with this, and you can extend this to do even more things and give more insight to your clients about how those calls are going. So that is really the full picture of how to create and sell this AI voice agent within just 30 minutes and how to deliver it in a professional way. So your client will get a 24/7 AI receptionist that picks up every call, saves them thousands of dollars every month. And for you as the agency owner, it only took you 30 minutes, maybe an hour to set all of this up. And you're able to build all of this within one platform, no extra webhooks, No developer experience needed, no custom code, none of that. It's all very simple. It's all plug and play. And it gives you all the functionality that you need to deliver the most professional service that you can. So if you want to start creating production-ready agents with professional client dashboards and integrated billing and workflows, hit the link in the description for a 7-day free trial to ChatDash to be able to get started and see how this works for yourself. And if you want to see more on how to sell, build, and innovate on AI agents, subscribe to the channel because we will continue to have more content like this every single week. Thanks for watching.